Joel Casamayor being very disrespectful, putting the hands in the face of Marquez, touching Marquez.
Nakilala natin si Juan Manuel Marquez bilang mortal na karibal ng ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao dahil nga umabot pa sa 4 na beses ang kanilang paghaharap sa ibabaw ng lona. Ngunit alam nyo ba mga boss na merong nakalaban si Marquez na sobrang yabang? Matapos ang pangalawang paghaharap ng ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao at ni Juan Manuel Marquez kung saan nanalo nga si Pacman sa pamamagitan ng split decision, ay sunod na nakalaban ni Marquez ang 2 Division World Champion na si Joel Casamayor mula sa bansang Cuba. Si Joel Casamayor ay naging WBA Super Featherweight World Champion mula 2000 hanggang 2002 at naging WBC at Lineal Champion naman sa Lightweight Division noong 2006. At ito rin ay gold medalist sa 1992 Barcelona Summer Olympics. Naging mainit ang press conference nila Casamayor at Marquez kung saan dinuro pa nga ni Casamayor sa mukha si Marquez at medyo nagkasagutan pa nga ang dalawa. At kahit nga sa kanilang weigh-in ay tuloy pa din ang panta-trash talk ni Casamayor.
Stepping up to the lightweight division, and he has his hands full, facing the linear champion, and there he is, Joel Casamayor. Always making the weight, looking in phenomenal shape. In a little trouble, even at the weigh-in itself. Again, with the mouth is flapping and the bad words being exchanged by the two. Cuba and Mexico, a lot of pride at stake and flags being tossed in front of each other. We got a barn burner on our hands.
Ang laban nila Casamayor at Marquez ay ginanap noong September 13, 2008 sa MGM Grand, Las Vegas. At bago nga ang kanilang bakbakan ay may kartada si Joel Casamayor na 36 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw at may 22 KO. Habang si Juan Manuel Marquez naman ay may record na 48 wins, 4 losses, 1 draw at may 35 KO. Sa mga unang round ng laban ay makikitang mas agresibo si Casamayor habang si Marquez naman ay nag-aabang ng tiyempo para maka-counter.
Futures. Very close first round. Nacho Barrett not usually that generous. You have to have to run. Odd instructions. Very close. And again, a counter left hand from Casamayor. It's moving up the way you wonder. You talk about the power, but you also wonder whether he's going to lose it. So he believes he's strong. Uppercut to right hand from Marquez. And a left round here as well. You see him on the inside here. They're both giving themselves enough room to work on the inside and score on the inside. Hopefully he's got somewhere to shake his head no. We come to round 3. A very difficult round fight. Marquez knows that. And he knows that when he tries to come inside, he's running that risk. As he, again right there, as he just did. Nice combination by Marquez that time, and that with Marquez you always wonder about is in the big fight of round number 3. Manuel Marquez. Both fighters, of course, are counter punchers, although there was a right hand lead by Marquez. But he countered there. Very difficult if you're a judge judging this fight. Caught him with a counter too. Left hand by Casamayor. And another left hand counter by Casamayor. And a right. Good left hand by Casamayor again. Good body by Casamayor. And then he takes a right hand backing out from Marquez. I'll tell you what, the combination. Looks like a little one. He's got a different eye. And he has a history of Casamayor. It's a little bit of a cut. I don't think right now.
Sa mga sumunod na round ay nagpalitan ng mga solidong patama ang dalawang boxer.
Right. Snuff a short right hand. Sharp right hand by Casamayor. By Mark. recently. Thought a big round from Marquez, much more aggressive in that last round. I thought he, if anybody has dominated any round so far, that Casamero, that cut is from Casamayor, although he took a left hand to get that counter there. And the guy who's all of those 37 years. Double right hand, and that got Casamayor's. Another good round for Marquez. Good round for Marquez. Oh, is a serious cut. He also was bleeding from the nose in the last. They have done a nice job on that cut, as you mentioned. Again, difference in his hand speed and his Marquez had come. Marquez missed an uppercut, but came back with the right hand. Ringside, a familiar face.
When you walked in, you stopped.
There's the counter that Casamaro was hoping to land, and the one that has made him famous and is world champion. There it is, bang, and then slip back. That's it. Yeah, for the most part. Although I suppose if you're Nacho, you want to keep pushing. Both got there. Big right hand from Marquez. Best single shot. Nice combination again by Marquez. Marquez is taking it over. So right down fast. Right hand by Marquez, then he jacked under a left hand from Casamaro. Which is what he needs to separate himself and make these rounds easier. Now he really starts to take the play where there's the straight right hand. Knocks him back. Left hand, right hand.
Let's go.
But there's that combination we were talking about earlier. That's probably the last minute and a half of that round was all. Probably the easiest round.
Sa round 11 ay natikman ni Casamayor ang kanyang kauna-unahang knockdown sa kanyang boxing career.
It's that straight right hand. Then he would have normally choose to do. So the right hand from Marquez. Or completely for him. Having a better round for Casamayor. Well, took a good shot right there. A lot of times people see a brawl, they think that's a good fight. And he drops him with a big right hand. Big right hand.
At dito nga ay hindi na pinagbigyan ni Marquez si Casamayor at tinapos na nito ang laban.
Tries to get it turned. It won't take a lot. Marquez trying to finish the deal here. Remember, Casamayor has never been knocked out. He's down again, and that's it. It's over. Juan Manuel Marquez is the champion. That's just what Marquez wanted. That's the performance he wanted. He wanted to be dominant, and he was. And what a shot it was. This is the first knockdown. He missed with the left hand. And there's the right hand right on
De Mexico, Juan Manuel Dinamita Marquez.
Matapos matalo kay Juan Manuel Marquez ay nagkaroon pa ng 4 na laban itong si Joel Casamayor. At noong 2011 nga ay nagretiro na ito sa pagboboxing matapos itong matalo kay Timothy Bradley sa pamamagitan ng TKO.